Question 2. Determine the reading on A2. Let's start by what we are given. We are told that the reading on A1 is 4 amps. A1 is measuring the current strength through the main part of the circuit. All the charge has to move through the main part of the circuit. But then here at the branch, it splits. Some of the charge goes through this branch and the other goes through that branch. And then all of it joins again, goes through this part of the main part of the circuit and back into the negative terminal of the battery. We are also told that the reading on A3 is 1 amps. And we're asked to find the reading on A2. A2 is in one of the branches. We know that in a parallel circuit, the current splits. If we have 2 branches, then some of the current goes through one branch and all the rest goes through the other branch. I main equals I1 plus I2. In this circuit, we are told I main, it's 4 amps. And we know that that splits into A2, which is what we want to know, and 1 amps. So what is A2 going to be? 4 is equal to A2 plus 1 amp. A2 has to be 3 amps.